ಕಣ್ಣುಗಳ ಇದು ಬೊಮ್ಮೆ ತುಪಾಕಿಯಲ್ಲೇ ನಾನು ನನ್ನ ಪೊಲೀಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲ.
Dear parents and students, due to the pandemic, the result of your ward will be announced online by tomorrow 5 p.m.
Hello. Hi, Pa. Heard that your results are coming. No, uncle, no. Somebody's giving you false information? Not at all. I remember what you had done last time.
Hello, uncle, I can't hear you. Hello, service, uncle, no service. Hello.
It was actually wrong of me to call you up and ask you for your results. Did you just realize that, uncle? Yes, Pa, it was cheap of me to actually call you up and ask hey, how was your result? I agree, Pa. So from this time onwards, I will not be calling you and ask for your results. What? Please come again, uncle. I just want to confirm whatever you said. So from today onwards, you will not be calling you. Will not be to ask your results. Calling to ask my result? Yes. It's such a cheap behavior, no? Yes, uncle, it is a bit. I agree. So, I will not be calling you and asking your results from this time onwards. Yeah? Instead, I will be coming to your house and sit beside you and wait for the results. See, Pa, calling means simply currency waste. In your house also, no signal. Simply, hello, you'll be doing. So I will come to your house and wait for your results. Oh no! See, Pa, if I don't ask your results, I don't know why. My mood only will not be there.
How will you have such a sadist fellow?
Okay, Pa. Afternoon I'll be coming to your house. Bye. No. Yes. No. Okay, Pa. Bye. No. Hello. No.
Hi Dad, I wanted to talk to you. Please come home.
So, Dad, what I wanted to say is that recently I did something and the result will not be good, Dad. What? Dad, recently I did something and the result will not be good, Dad. Oh, you did something and the result will not be good. No, Dad, not like that. Let me put it in a different way. So, Dad, I tried hard. I put in constant efforts. But I didn't get the outcome, Dad. What? Really? Yeah. You tried something and didn't get the outcome. No. The outcome didn't come. You put in constant efforts and hard work to whatever. Yes, Dad. Constant efforts, hard work. Early morning I used to wake up. Early morning I used to wake up in the shower. In the shower? At least thrice I would do revision, Dad. At least thrice. Before sleeping, at least once I would do revision. But I would do revision. But still, I didn't get the outcome. Oh no! Dad, I didn't get the outcome. Did you concentrate while you are doing the revision? Yeah, Dad. 5 to 6 hours I would sit and I would do revision. Out of it, 3 to 4 hours I would concentrate and do revision, but sometimes half an hour I would get distraction while doing revision. But no, Dad. I would constantly put efforts, put hard work and do the revision. What's your age? 16. Why? 16 and you still didn't get the outcome? What about your friends? Some of them have got the outcome, but many haven't. In our times, by 16, the outcome would have come. Yeah, Dad, like morning I used to do 2 hours, evening I told you. Even in the lunch break in school, like, yeah.
In school, lunch break.
Like, yeah, my friends and I would sit in a round table. First he would do revision, then he would do revision, then he would do revision, then I would do revision. Oh shit! Everybody would do. Yeah.
Try with lotion. If you still didn't get the outcome, then we will have to go to the doctor.
Oh
no! Hey, relax, don't worry. It's good that you have come to me.
Dad, don't worry, relax. I was talking about studies, revision, concentration, hard work, efforts.
Oh.
Okay, let me put it in a different way. I'll be straight this time.
Yeah, go ahead.
Dad, what if, don't worry, it'll not, but what if by chance, like, I would get bad grades, bad result, like, you wouldn't take away my TV or take away my phone or like anything like that?
Chache, no. If you get less marks, why will I take away your TV, phone and all, right? Wrong, I'll throw you out of the house. Heard of timer balls? I think your uncle has come.
Yeah, he told he'll come.
I'll go bring him.
Okay. Hi, good. So, Dad, what I was trying to say is that one piece of...
I'll forward it to you. I'll watch it later.
What are you doing, Uncle? Please keep the phone aside.
Okay.
Okay. So, Dad, what I was...
Hey, mine. Today our results were coming now. Check your phone.
No, okay.
No, huh? Okay, carry on. Carry on.
So, Dad, what I was trying to say is that...
Hey, message came. Check result came over.
No, okay, this is my friend.
No, huh?
Okay.
Okay.
So, Dad...
What happened? Results came up.
No, Uncle, you're causing a lot of disturbance.
Why are you looking at me?
Please.
Hey, what did I do? Carry on.
Dad... What I was trying to say is
Hey,
that...
my check now. Result.
It's okay, tell. It's okay.
No, and
It's okay, tell.
so they're not possible. No, some other...
Okay.
Okay, let's talk about something else. Dad, I was thinking of changing my school.
Why?
Dad, I actually wanted to go to a convent school. Yeah?
Oh, convent, Why?
Dad, actually, the teaching and the coaching is very good over there. Yeah? That is
Hey, that is not the reason. Hey, come on. What, you want to do IAS or what? Shut up. I know the reason, but I want to hear it from your mouth. Tell.
The teaching and
Hey.
coaching, also a lot of bakeries are there over there.
Hey, come on.
Dad, posh malls maybe could be the reason.
Hey, stop beating around the bush. That's not the reason.
Also, good fests and all will be there.
Yeah, you're coming to the point. Go ahead.
Also, we can skip classes easily.
Skip classes? Is that the right word?
Dad, come on.
Okay. Repeat after me. Repeat.
Okay.
B
B
U
U
N
N
K
K
bunk classes.
some classes.
Right. Go ahead.
And the uniform also is really good, Dad. Like, boys will not have to wear uniform like we have in our school.
Hey, you're not concerned about boys' uniform. Shut up. What about girls' uniform?
Dad, come on.
Naughty boy. What about girls' uniform? Huh?
The girls' uniform?
Shut up! Oh shit! Why do I send you to school? To study or to bunk classes? Short skirts he wants, it seems. What are you seeing my face? Go!